How to buy Badoo Premium. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can buy Badoo Premium. Badoo is the dating app that allows you to match and chat with people, make friends, or find a partner. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to badoo.com. Once you're here, you want to click on the login option. If you are new to this, click on the sign up option. Once you click on login, you will have to enter either your email or phone number. Then click on the login option. Then you will have to enter your password. Or you can also log in using your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. Once you have been logged in, you want to click on the profile icon to open up your profile page. There, you will find an option of Badoo Premium. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're going to see different plans of Badoo Premium. You want to compare those plans and find the one which is best for you. Once you have found it, select that plan. Then choose one of the payment methods available. Then enter all the details about your payment method. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Once the payment has been complete, you will be subscribed to Badoo Premium. You can manage your Badoo Premium subscription by going to the payment settings in the settings menu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.